A $5 part can ruin a $1,500 week. But the machine has no conscience. It doesn't tell you when it's forgotten its heart. The week started with me standing over my EV converted Lancia, painter's tape in hand, and the dream of a fresh, gloss black engine bay. But if you're really about this life, and not just a YouTuber, then you know. You don't pick the car project picks you. And I needed to run to the store for more masking tape. Here's what happened.
But we can't really do that now because it makes more sense to do the engine bay. Because to paint the engine bay, we gotta pull everything out. So we're just gonna pull everything out now before we add more stuff to it and get that done. And then, oh, that was weird. Okay, take two. So we're on our way to the hardware store. We're gonna pick up the stuff we need to do the EV Lancia engine bay painting. So what do we need? We need masking tape,
This transmission's gotta come out. Hopefully this 41-year-old cougar takes it easy on me. It's my first time doing a trans. This isn't a how-to video. This is an expression of rage. How did we get here? Scrubbing parts at 1 a.m. while listening to Creed on my headphones? Oh, that's right. Around 4 days ago, I made the decision to rebuild instead of to buy. Bienvenidos to White People Taco Night. And when I saw rebuilt transmissions were going for about $1,500, I knew I was going to do it myself for cheap. What is this? Was this part already replaced? Or did I forget it? Only one way to find out.
Okay, so moment of truth after all that work. You hear that? Yeah, neither do I.
It was definitely a replaced part. Maybe. Now I can get back to painting the engine bay of the Lancia. But I do hear a slight squeaking, or maybe a rubbing, or maybe a grinding. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed it.